Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the new Boxycharm that came for the month of January. Super excited about it, so let's go ahead and get into testing these products. So first things first, the theme for this month was boxy and chill, super cute, and why I have no makeup on and I have a bare face is because we actually got some Tatcha skin masks in here. So this is so super exciting. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and we got 2 of them, you guys. I am so freaking excited to try these, so let's go ahead and put one of these on. And by the way, this runs for $24, so that is an expensive mask. So I'm just opening it up. Oh, that just like squirted everywhere. Okay, so let's see. What is the... Okay, so apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes. Peel off and massage remaining serum into skin, which there is a lot of serum in here, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just kind of like all coming out of the package. So here it, ooh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so this is very, very saturated, you guys. So I think I might have to go to the bathroom and apply this real quick, so I will be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here's the mask. I cannot get this thing to go like up right here. I don't know. This is a really, really big mask. Or maybe I just have a really small head. I think that's what it is. But so here's the mask, and yeah, it looks really freaking goofy. So I'm just gonna wear this for like 15 minutes and I'll be back, you guys. Okay, I just took the mask off and my skin feels so hydrated and dewy and luminous. And I feel like it just looks so good, has a really healthy glow to it, so that is awesome. We all know that Tatcha is a huge, very expensive, very well-known skincare brand, so that's awesome to get that in this month's Boxycharm, so super excited about that. I think those work really well, and they come with 2. It has 2 in here. Of course, there aren't any foundations or concealers in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation and brows on, and I'll be right back. I've got the brows on, foundation, and everything. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I did not mention, go ahead and check the description box below. I will go ahead and put all the details in there. Otherwise, we just have a few more things to test out in this month's box. So one thing I just want to get out of the way and quickly mention is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Now this looks really nice, really promising. I've heard really good things about Briogeo, but it says that you have to apply on damp or wet hair. And obviously you can see my hair is up today, and can't really try that out, so I will update you guys in the description about that as well. So moving on, now we're gonna go ahead and play with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. Now from what I understand, it does vary from box to box. Like you may have gotten the Volume 2 palette, or you know, Volume 3, Volume 1, or whatever. So everyone got a different one. By the way, the hair mask retails for $16 and the Tarte palette is $36, you guys. And we all know Tarte is a very, very well-known and great brand. At least I love Tarte stuff. So this is what the Volume 3 Rainforest of the Sea palette looks like. Super cute, and it just comes in like gold packaging and stuff. So we open it up and here she is. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. I think these certainly are everyday beautiful shades, great for, you know, a vacation on the beach, you know, just everyday shades and everyday wear. Like it's just a very sun-kissed type of look. And these are all, it looks like they're all shimmers, by the way, which definitely can be a downfall because, you know, where's your matte crease color shades? So that's the only thing I don't like about this palette. But since this is a try-on haul and we're not going to use anything else, I think I'm just gonna try to make it work. So we're gonna use the Morphe & Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, and this color right here looks kind of like a matte-ish shade, so I'm gonna try to put that in the crease and see if that works at all for any type of transition shade. So it's not really doing much. I think it did like a little bit of something, but not anything. Oh no, yeah, that's basically like the same color as my skin tone. So we're gonna scratch that. That didn't really work. Basically, I think we're gonna be without a crease today, which I don't know if I like that. I haven't done that in a very long time. But definitely don't get me wrong, these shades are really, really beautiful. They're all very pretty. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go in with Compass right here and put that all over the lid. I think this was maybe meant to be like boxy and chill, like a kind of subtle, more subtle makeup look, not anything too over the top fancy. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Tarte can definitely do eyeshadows really, really well. Their shimmers are always just beautiful. So I think we're just gonna keep it super simple with the eyes and then use Treasure, which is like this white shimmery shade, and I'm gonna grab the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH39, just a really small like pointed brush, and pop that on the inner corner just to brighten up the inner corners. So this is definitely more of like a fresh, wide awake type of look, which I kind of like that. It's different and it's not so dramatic like we're used to, you know? So next thing in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Starlooks eyeliner pencil. This runs for $19. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm gonna go ahead and I guess line my waterline. I don't really want to like line the upper lash line, you know? So I'm just gonna go in and darken up that lash line a little bit. By the way, you guys, this is in the shade Brown, so it's a very kind of natural shade. So loving that. I think that blended out really nicely. I kind of smoked it out just a tiny bit underneath the lash line, and it applied on the waterline, pretty pigmented, so a thumbs up for that. Now I'm feeling pretty bald on the eyes, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on and finish off this look with the OFRA liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. This is a beautiful shade, you guys, and this retails for, let's see here, $20. So I'm just gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. So I ended up adding a little bit of eyeliner on top because I don't like the way it looks right now, and I am going to go ahead and go in with a crease color from the Lorac Pro, is it the 3? I think it's a 3rd palette. And just like add some color in there because it's just looking too bald for me personally. I like a little bit more color. Okay, so now we have a little bit of color in the crease, and I'm also going to put a little bit of color underneath the lash line to warm it up and kind of smoke it out a bit. So I think that looks a lot better. I should have just done that in the first place, but I was trying to just use what we got in the box. But I know a lot of us already have like transition shades and other eyeshadows to work with anyway, so I don't feel like it's cheating or anything. So I think it looks so much better. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the OFRA liquid lipstick, and this requires my complete concentration because it's a dark color and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just gonna get started. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is what the OFRA liquid lipstick looks like. Super, super pretty. I really like this color. It's very fall, very wintry, dark vibes, and I love it. I think it's a beautiful liquid lipstick. Now, I do think that you could use a lip liner with it. It's, you know, it's really not noticeably patchy when you look at it, but it is like just a little bit patchy in some areas, and I don't really want to double up on like layers and stuff because then I feel like it starts to look really dry and kind of crusty. So definitely use a lip liner. I wish they would have like included one in there because I feel like most people who have Boxycharm are, you know, have Boxycharm because they want to try out different products and stuff. So, and you know, they may or may not have a big collection, which I don't even think I have a lip liner this shade. So a lip liner would have been nice, but otherwise I think it looks pretty good without a lip liner. So that is it for today's video, and this Boxycharm this month retails for $115, which is absolutely amazing. I am so freaking excited about the Tatcha Tatcha masks and the Tarte eyeshadow palette. So overall, everything in the box this month was really, really definitely worth the $20 Boxycharm price tag for sure. So everything was amazing and I love it. I don't think there's anything that I disliked in this box. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I really enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have Boxycharm too and what your favorite product of this month was, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!